So guys, welcome back to brand new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Eclipse Java Enterprise Edition. So let's get into it. Open up your Google tab and click the link in the description below. So and you will come right here, and now you must install the Eclipse installer. I'm going to click the Windows 64-bit version and click download, and there we go. It's downloading. Now open up it by double clicking on it. There we go. The Eclipse installer is open. Now select the second, which is Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web Development. So click it, and you can select the installation folder, but I prefer keeping it default. So I'm going to click install, and there we go. It's installing. There we go, guys. Now click launch. Now the Eclipse IDE 2024 is opening. Let's wait for 2 minutes. And there we go. Now you must create a workspace. So I'm going to create a workspace in my local disk D. And I'm going to select that folder, and then I'm going to click launch. So the Eclipse IDE is starting, and there we go. So this is the Enterprise Eclipse edition. So I'm going to keep Eclipse IDE being scanned by the Microsoft Defender. So click proceed, and then that's it, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you guys from another video.